Hey everyone, in today's video, we are going to see how to make Salesforce automatically assign cases using assignment rules straight from a data wrapper. You have probably seen the checkbox says assign using active assignment rule when you create a case manually. But what if you want to use that same thing in automated flow? Let's make it happen with OmniStudio. Now let's go to our Salesforce org. So before setting up our data wrapper, let's make sure that we have an active assignment rule so that we can trigger it using data wrapper. So in my case, I have an active assignment rule for cases. So here we can see rule name test, and when we click on test, we can see one rule entry with order 1 and criteria says case origin equals web. So this rule only triggered when my case origin is web. So now let's go to our data wrapper and set it up. So here you can see I have a data wrapper named dr test with interface type load. So as we are trying to create a record in case object to trigger assignment rule, we are using load, and input type is JSON and output type is S object, and make sure that you have your primary object is case. Now let's go and see preview the input. So here I have subject, origin, description. So origin is where we mention it as web to trigger our assignment rule. Now go to fields and look at our mappings. Here we can see description is mapped to description in the object, origin to origin, and subject to subject. Now how do we tell this data wrapper to trigger the assignment rule when creating a case? So in order to achieve that, go to options and select this use active assignment rules checkbox. So this tells data mapper to use active assignment rules while creating a case record. So now once we go ahead and click on execute, we can see a record has been created. Now let's click on this link and see if it has triggered assignment rule. Here we can see first log says that case has been created and there is update on the case. Now once we click on the update, we can see case is assigned to web support queue using assignment rule. So by this we can say that our active assignment rule done its job. Now so if it doesn't work, don't map your owner ID unless you are overriding the rule, or else it blocks the assignment. Sometimes saving and reopening the data mapper refreshes hidden options. Also note that in Salesforce, only one assignment rule can be active at a time to prevent conflicts and unpredictable assignments. And that's it. That's how you automate your case assignments using OmniStudio Data Mapper. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know what you would like to learn next. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.